Hello guys, welcome back to Sleeping Dogs walkthrough. This is episode 3, I think. So yeah, let's resume from where we last left off. Oh yeah. I remember I had to deliver money. Audio. It's too loud. There we go. Yeah, I had to beat all these guys and I had to deliver money for a dinner.
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Oh, do I get money? Oh, I get face experience. Oh, I got money. Got to meet Winston. Oh, cutscene.
Damn! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do? Nothing. Saying nothing more. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major without you knowing, you know? Forget this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. This week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope and tell my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
Oh, God, Dog is gonna get what's coming. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Oh, have I got a, is that Ming? Ming I've got to take care of. Ming, I come for you.
No! 唔好叫我講第二次啊！好啊！快啲啦！我哋已經遲晒啦！
Guess I've got to go this way.
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！你喺度做乜鬼啊？我成日都多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅。
Have I got a phone? Oh yeah.
我話你知
I've got my
你
phone.
冇再有啲咁嘅嘢同我講嘢啊！你死埋先啦！
What's this? I even unlocked any. Yeah, what's this? Whatever.
Noodles! Hey! Hollywood movies! Come by grocery! Come on! Let me show you around!
I'm looking for me. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner. Hey, sexy man! You want anything you need at the market?
I've got to find me.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal. Huh? 我真係要咁做 Mate, I got a message for you. Stop!
Oh, I'm chasing.
You
I got a bag.
Bastard asshole.
Oh, I was gonna chuck a bag at him. Oh! Fuck me. Chums.
Wait, you come back and apologize. Oh, shit! You have money. Serious. Ah! Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be
He
killed!
didn't use the door. How does that work?
Fucking bitch! You know? What I'm gonna do?
Ow! You did a lot of damage to me. Oh. Gotta dump you in the dumpster. Get it? Yeah. Oh, actually. Oh, achievement. Oh, I'm going to get you. Come here.
Leave it alone, you fuck!
Shut up.
It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! You were able to tell him to fuck you up!
It's his face. He looks scared.
You fucking with the wrong crowd!
Oh. Oh, God. What does this do? Oh, God.
Somebody fucking kill him, bitch! I'm gonna kill you! Stop making a guy!
No, you're not, mate. Oh. How do you feel? Ow, that hurt. Oh, God. Am I going to get him? I'm going to get him. Come on, man. Oh, what's going to happen? Cutscene. Oh, God.
Kill you, fuck dog guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay. But please, make sure dog guys doesn't kill me.
And I've been arrested again.
Hey, watch it.
Okay, I think... Yeah. Alright, I think I'll end the episode here. Hope you've enjoyed episode 4 of Sleeping Dogs. See you next time. Bye.